to put the other stuff back. I don't know. Wowzers. Cool. Yeah, so this is what your supposedly 50,000 buys you. Yeah, she's a bit rugged for that, I reckon. Good lord. Apparently 15 to 20 a couple of years ago, so... Oh wow, straight pile. Good lord. Yeah, no, she hasn't had a fun life by the look of her. I mean, she's got the hydraulics, but she's a little bit yeah, I don't know. Seen better. I guess what do you expect? Had a few rough moments, I think. Yeah, hydraulics, that's nice. Can't check the oil. That doesn't seem right. Anyway, kind of nice, but well, could be nice if it hadn't been hammered. It's all that poly stuff. Yep. Yeah, chips in the windscreen. I don't know what that's probably more than likely you make you put a new windscreen in it too, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. Not sure. I don't know. Maybe we should get that cheap one after all. We'll just be done with it. What do we have today? Pino 700. Like the one we drove with. But, yeah. Like all these things here. They're not quite as, it's not too bad, but... Oh, that's all missing. It's not too bad, not as good as the one we drove in. Oh, there's things missing from here. Yeah, so she's not terrible. Actually not terrible at all, but not great either. So, just feel like it's a better one than some of these other ones. I don't know, their cleanups are not that special. It's just like a quick blowdown and a quick wipe. I don't know what else they do. Not much, it's pretty rugged. Pretty rugged indeed. Yeah, you'd want another long cleanup. Where's all your tools? So yeah, I mean, truck like this I'd be quite happy with, but no, maybe not this one particularly, but Japanese, pretty solid standard sort of controls. Would imagine pretty reliable, pretty simple usually, they're not too bad. But biggest thing is getting one through an auction house like this. A few more kilometres than I probably wanted, so 1.2, but seems to be well maintained, full service history. We'll see.